The AI landscape just shifted dramatically. In the span of 7 days, we've witnessed moves that could reshape how we interact with artificial intelligence forever. From Elon Musk putting Grok in every Tesla to OpenAI abandoning its open source promises, this week delivered more industry-defining moments than most entire months. Welcome back to BitBias.ai, where we do the research so you don't have to. I'm bringing you the 6 biggest AI stories that dominated headlines this week, and more importantly, what they actually mean for you. Here's what we're covering. Grok is rolling out to Tesla vehicles next week, fundamentally changing AI in cars. OpenAI just paused their open source plans indefinitely, sending shockwaves through the developer community. Google secured a $2.4 billion deal to onboard Windsurf's top talent after OpenAI's acquisition attempt failed. Meta acquired voice cloning startup PlayAI to supercharge their AI characters. A surgical robot achieved 100% accuracy in gallbladder removal. And concerning research reveals therapy chatbots are giving dangerous advice to vulnerable users. Each story represents a critical inflection point in AI development. Let's break down what actually happened and why it matters. Grok enters the driver's seat. Grok is coming to Tesla vehicles. Elon Musk announced that Tesla owners will have access to Grok as a voice assistant directly integrated into their car's interface, rolling out next week at the latest. But here's where it gets interesting. Firmware leaks suggest users will have access to multiple Grok personalities, including NSFW and role-based modes. However, these advanced features will only be available in newer Tesla models equipped with hardware 3 or later. Musk also hinted at a new wave of Grok features launching this week, though he remained characteristically vague about specifics. Industry speculation points to improved conversational performance, more natural voice interaction, and new tools for creators and developers. This move is significant because it represents Grok's expansion beyond social media into the physical world. We're talking about an AI assistant that spans X, mobile apps, and now automotive platforms, creating what could become a seamless ecosystem of AI interaction. There's important context here. Earlier versions of Grok were temporarily pulled from X due to problematic outputs, including anti-Semitic content and violent responses. With Grok 4, XAI appears to have addressed many of those concerns, introducing what they claim is a more refined and powerful model with strong benchmark results. OpenAI abandons open source. OpenAI has indefinitely delayed the release of its highly anticipated open source model, citing serious safety concerns. The company argued that sharing model weights without adequate safeguards could lead to catastrophic misuse. But here's the timing issue. This decision comes precisely when open-source competitors are gaining serious momentum. Moonshot's Kimi K2 and Meta's Llama 4 have already entered the market, offering developers freely accessible alternatives with impressive performance. Critics argue this delay reflects OpenAI's evolving commercial interests more than genuine risk mitigation. By pausing its open-source ambitions, OpenAI further distances itself from its original charter and creates a broader industry divide between AI labs prioritizing openness and those doubling down on proprietary control in the name of safety. This decision has real implications for developers, researchers, and the broader AI ecosystem. It signals that access to cutting-edge AI capabilities may increasingly require going through corporate gatekeepers rather than open development communities. Google wins the Windsurf talent war. After OpenAI's $3 billion acquisition attempt of Windsurf fell through, Google secured a licensing deal worth $2.4 billion to onboard the startup's CEO and top engineers. The failed OpenAI deal reportedly collapsed due to Microsoft's IP restrictions. As OpenAI's primary partner, Microsoft would have required joint integration terms for Windsurf's models, an arrangement that clashed with Windsurf's desire to remain neutral in the AI platform wars. When that deal unraveled, Google acted quickly, negotiating a licensing agreement that preserves Windsurf's independence while securing their key personnel and technology. Windsurf's tech and talent will now contribute to Google's Gemini initiative, particularly its ambitions in code generation and developer-focused AI tools. By absorbing Windsurf's leadership while bypassing acquisition red tape, Google gains immediate expertise to supercharge Gemini's code model pipeline. This move reflects an intensifying race among AI giants to attract elite talent while sidestepping regulatory scrutiny. Gemini is now expected to rival GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT's coding tools more directly. Meta's voice cloning acquisition. Meta has acquired California-based voice tech startup PlayAI, known for advanced speech synthesis and voice cloning capabilities. PlayAI's technology is expected to enhance Meta's AI characters and digital personas, giving them more lifelike voices and emotional nuance. This acquisition supports Meta's long-term goal of developing expressive, human-like virtual agents. With PlayAI's deep learning voice stack, Meta can build adaptive voice-enabled interfaces across products like Instagram, Messenger, and WhatsApp. Industry analysts say this acquisition could give Meta a significant edge in competing with Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant by pushing AI interaction from scripted responses to emotionally responsive conversation. By bringing voice modeling in-house, Meta is better positioned to control its AI stack end-to-end across their ecosystem. Surgical robot achieves perfect accuracy. Johns Hopkins engineers unveiled SRT-H, a surgical robot guided by transformer-based AI that removed gallbladders with 100% accuracy on synthetic models. The robot responds to voice commands, adapts in real time, and self-corrects during procedures. This breakthrough combines robotics and AI to increase safety, speed, and surgical precision. The transformer-based AI, the same technology that powers ChatGPT, is being adapted for real-time surgical decision-making, representing a significant evolution in how AI can be applied to physical, life-critical tasks. Researchers say live tissue trials are next. Therapy chatbots show dangerous flaws. Stanford researchers tested leading therapy chatbots with prompts related to schizophrenia and alcohol use, finding that many gave harmful or stigmatizing responses. Some even suggested unsafe behavior. The findings highlight the dangers of using general-purpose AI in mental health care. This research exposes a critical gap between AI capabilities and AI safety in sensitive applications, underscoring the need for specialized training and oversight when AI tools are used in healthcare contexts. What this week means for AI's future. Looking at these 6 stories together, several critical trends emerge. We're seeing AI move from experimental to practical applications, from Tesla vehicles to surgical robots. The industry is consolidating around major players aggressively acquiring talent and technology. The tension between open source and proprietary AI development is intensifying. Most importantly, we're witnessing AI safety emerge as a central concern, whether it's OpenAI's stated reason for delaying open source models or the real dangers uncovered in therapy chatbots. The next few months will be crucial in determining whether AI development prioritizes rapid deployment or careful safety considerations. That's your AI news roundup for this week. From Tesla vehicles to surgical robots, from corporate acquisitions to safety concerns, the pace of AI development shows no signs of slowing down. Which of these stories impacts you most? Are you excited about Grok in Tesla vehicles, concerned about OpenAI's open source reversal, or worried about AI safety in sensitive applications? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to stay ahead of the AI curve without drowning in hype, subscribe to bitbias.ai. We cut through the noise to bring you the AI developments that actually matter. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's here, and it's accelerating.